In this video, I'm going to give you an Amazon affiliate program tutorial that will literally show you exactly how to use it and how to start making money from it today. Now, I did a video on this a year ago and it did really well, but I still had a couple of questions that weren't covered in it. Like, do you need a website? Why did I get kicked out of the program? And I will say the audio for that video was horrendous. So I'm going to do a refresh, and if you guys stick around until the end, I want to talk about how my friend is making $4,000 to $5,000 a month from Amazon affiliate commissions. You guys ready? Let's go. So Amazon Associates was the first program where I made money with my blog, and I made a whopping 59 cents. Now, I know that's nothing, but that was all the motivation I needed to say, okay, I can make money online. Now I just need a strategy so I can make more. And just after a ton of trial and error, I figured out how to use affiliate marketing, and I made 6 figures the very next year. Now that was 4 years ago, and I've been making 6 figures every year ever since with my strategy. Now it's completely on autopilot, and only a small portion of that income is from Amazon. So if you are interested to see how I do it, just sign up to my email list, and I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can sign up and get my 6-figure blog blueprint. But in this video, we are going to focus on the Amazon affiliate marketing program, and I'm going to show you guys why it's so cool. So the Amazon affiliate program is where you can promote products from Amazon, which we know they sell pretty much everything, and you can get a commission if anyone makes a purchase after using your unique referral link. So it's Amazon's way of saying, thank you for bringing this customer to my website to make a purchase. Here's some money for doing that. So you're like a salesperson for Amazon. But that only lasts for a very short time, and I'm going to explain what that means in a minute. But let me first show you an example of how I use this to make money. Now, the way that I blog is by finding out what questions people are searching for on Google so I can answer their questions through my blog articles. Because when you're looking for things on Google, what shows up in the search results? It's blog articles. So that's how I get traffic to my website. So I found out that people were searching for on Google gift ideas for entrepreneurs. So I wrote an article on the best gift ideas for entrepreneurs in 2022. So if you Google that, let's see what we find. Best gifts for entrepreneurs in 2022. Now I wrote this article a couple of months ago, and it takes time to show up in the search results, but you can see that this is my website right here. So anyone searching for this online, and it's gonna creep up to the higher up in the search results as time goes, but it's right here. So this is how people are finding my article. Because this person is searching on Google for gift ideas for entrepreneurs, they are probably at the stage where they are ready to make a purchase. They just need to know what to buy. So I have a list of really good gift ideas for entrepreneurs that they can get from Amazon. Now, why did I do this? Because most people have an Amazon account. And let me be specific. Over 197 million people have Amazon accounts, and 74 million of those people are Prime members, which means that you can get stuff sometimes the same day or the very next day. And most people, they also already have their credit cards linked, so that making a purchase is like too easy. Now, the other good thing is that people trust Amazon. They know that if they want to purchase something from Amazon, they're going to get what they purchase. Now, the best part of the Amazon affiliate program is, say, like Sally or something. Say Sally is getting a gift for her friend starting a new business, but she also needs some new pens, a notebook, some clothes, or whatever. Whatever she adds to her cart after clicking on my unique referral link, I earn a commission on whatever she added to her cart. So the higher the price, the higher the commission. That is the best part about the Amazon affiliate program, because as many of you know, you can get almost anything on Amazon. And people usually like to order whatever they need in one session. So let me show you how I actually get my unique referral links from Amazon. All right, so this right here, this is a desk calendar that I'm promoting in this article. So if you click on this right here, I want to show you how I got my unique referral link. So there's something called SiteStripe that you want to get, and it's all in the Amazon program. So when you sign up, you're going to be able to get this. This is how you're going to easily be able to get your unique referral links for whatever products that Amazon sells. Let me show you how it works. So for example, this desk calendar that I have in my article, what I did, I went to go to text right here. I'm using the SiteStripe link. I go to text and I copy this right here. And this is the link that I have in my article. So if I copy this right here, I go to my article, and then I scroll down, and whenever I'm mentioning this desk calendar right here in my article, I'm going to hyperlink it and add my unique referral link. So edit it right here, and I'm going to put my referral link right there. And then I'm going to use it like that. And then I mention this again here. So I put it whenever I'm mentioning this, I'm going to add my unique referral link. I want to give them as many chances as possible to click on my unique referral link without it looking all spammy and stuff like that. So that's how you get your unique referral links, and that is how you get credit for whenever you are promoting a product or a service. You want to use that link so you can get credit for it. It's all linked up to your account. Now, it's important to know that that referral link only works for 24 hours. And yes, the time from when they clicked on my referral link and make a purchase, it has to be within 24 hours from when they clicked on my link for me to get credit. Now, I know that is the most bogus thing that I have ever heard, but that's Amazon's rules. You got to play by their rules if you want to play their game. And it's also the last click. So let me explain. So for example, somebody added this desk calendar to their cart on Amazon. But if they went to another blogger's website and clicked on another Amazon referral link from whatever they had on their site, that blogger will get credit for this desk calendar and whatever else they add to their cart, because it's the last click before they make a purchase that gets the credit. So these are some of the cons of the Amazon affiliate marketing program. And Amazon also offers one of the lowest commission rates out there for products. But even with all of that, you still want to be a part of their program because everyone uses Amazon. And it's not about what I want or think about their program. I want to make money, so I need to use the company that most people are likely to purchase from. So to get started, you want to first apply. And I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can go through the process of signing up. Now, the one requirement you need to set up your Amazon Associates account with is that you need to have a functional website. But I have heard that putting in your Instagram or your TikTok profile, it has worked for others. So if you do not have a website, you can go that route. Or if you want to create one, you can use my free guide that I'll put in the description below that will help you figure out on how to build your website. But make sure that you link both your website and the social media accounts that you're going to use when you sign up that you will be promoting your Amazon affiliate links on. That is very important. Now, once you're signed up, you are in the program for a trial period until you have 3 qualified sales. Now, qualified sales means that you need to have at least 3 people to purchase from one of your affiliate links within the first 180 days. So once you apply, the clock starts ticking and the race is on to get people to buy from your links. Now, if you don't get enough sales by 180 days, you will get rejected, but you can always apply again and try again. The only thing is that my understanding is that you'll have new referral links. So wherever you use those old links for your old account, you're going to have to update those. So that's the only thing. And let me tell you guys something. Trying to get your friends and family to click on your unique referral link so to make a purchase so you can get credit for it, it does not work. Ask me how I know. No, I have no idea how Amazon knows who your friends and family are, but they are Amazon and it is crazy. But don't even waste your time because they actually know who they are somehow, and you will not get credit for any of your friends or family making a purchase from your unique referral link and getting a commission out of that. So those are the rules. I have no idea how it's kind of scary how they know that, but that's what it is. So don't even try going that route. You basically need strangers to click on your links. So if you use social media, you should promote different products on your stories and use the link in bio or link on the actual Instagram story to try and drive sales that way. But remember, you need to give them a reason to make a purchase. So if you do a review on a product you bought from Amazon, that will be a perfect time to add your unique referral link to that post to try and get some affiliate commissions and become qualified. Now, if you blog how I blog, I have strangers coming to my website all the time who search on Google. So getting my referral links, even though it does take time to rank on Google, that is definitely a route that you can use to get qualified to the Amazon affiliate program very easily. Once you officially get in the program, Amazon will ask you for your social security number for tax purposes. But I don't like giving my social security number to anyone, and you shouldn't either. So to avoid this, you should get an EIN number from the IRS, which is completely free. It has to be done during their office hours, but this is what you should do. So I'm going to show you really quickly. If you go to the irs.gov, and then you go to apply for employee ID, EIN number, and then you just go ahead and go apply online now. You're going to go through the process of getting started, and then you are going to be a sole proprietor unless you have like an LLC or your own other company. You can just sign up for a sole proprietor. So that's just a little get around instead of using your social security number. Now, for everyone who is not in the US, I'm sorry guys, I do not know the rules on how it works in other countries. So this is only for the US that I can give this advice for. Okay, now that you know how to apply and insert your links, you need to make sure you don't make these mistakes so you won't get kicked out of the program. So you have to use proper disclosures whenever you use your Amazon affiliate links. Now I'm gonna put this article that I was talking about earlier that's on Google in the description below so you guys can look at it and actually see the disclosure that I use in the article, and just you can use it on yours if you blog too. But if you use social media, you just need to make sure that you use proper hashtags on the post like these right here. You can also get kicked out of the program if you use Amazon links in places other than your blog or social media accounts, like emails, ebooks, courses, or closed Facebook groups. It has to be in a place where Amazon can actually crawl those links and see where they came from. They can't do that in the places I just mentioned. So you aren't allowed to share prices in your blog post for those Amazon products that you're promoting. So the way that I get around this is by saying it's under $20 or something like that. Now, my friend Debbie Gardner, she makes $4,000 to $5,000 per month using a similar approach to mine, but her strategy is much, much more effective. And she has a course that shows you how to make more affiliate commissions. Now, I always say to you guys, if you accomplish anything that can help others earn more money, make a course out of it. What you have is valuable and it's worth money. That's what Debbie did. She makes a lot of money on Amazon, and so many people were asking her, how do you do this? So she created a course on it to show you how. So she's running a limited time offer for my viewers. So if this is something that you're interested in, you want to act now so you won't have to pay full price. And if you thought this video gave you a lot of information, she goes way more in detail to help set you guys up for success. Okay, so was this video helpful? I want you guys to say yup Whit in the comment section below, just so I'll know that someone actually stuck around to the very end of this video, and to know that you actually found this helpful. I want to make sure that what I'm providing is valuable. So just let me know that in the comment section below. And I do talk about how I would build a brand new website today and turn it into a 6-figure website. So I did a video on that, and you guys can watch that one right now just to learn more about how this all works. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.